Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the text of the checkout button on your Wix.com website. So start from the dashboard here and then click on this button to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to here, your Wix website editor. Now, to actually see your cart page and the checkout button, you'll need to have something on your cart. To do that, click on preview page, wait for it to load, and just add whatever products you want. I'm going to add this tote pack. Give it a second to load, pick a color, add to cart, give it a second to load. Click on View Cart. Loading again. Now, once it's shown here, click on Pack to Editor. On Pack to Editor, click on this, on the whole cart page thing. Click on Settings. On Settings, go to Text. On Text, scroll down, and you'll see a section here called Button Text. If I want to change the checkout to something called Buy Now, I'm going to replace that. I'm going to click out and wait for it to load. There you go. Now it's loaded, just like that.